Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You know I am happy you are here today. I'm happy to be here today. We're going to be doing a painting on a 15 by 30 inch canvas bought on sale. Don't you know, at Michael's, 70% off. And if you buy the bulk packs, it's even less, guys. What a wonderful, wonderful deal. We've got some really pretty colors today. Our base coat is going to be white, and we are using Artist Loft White. Our pouring medium today is my usual pouring medium for a swipe, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800. Only need a little bit of water and some of the heavier body paints, but my fluid paints mix up just perfectly. So what are these colors here? Well, you know what? I use so little paint when I do a swipe, other than the base coat, that I decided to just kind of mix them up in these little squeeze bottles, which makes it very easy to apply just the right amount. And I'm gonna break up my colors a little bit today, so I thought this was absolutely perfect. So I can't show you the consistency of them, but when the paint rolls off the popsicle stick into the paint below, it leaves a very little bit of a trace before it dissipates into the cup. I hope that helps you. Now, I don't have this paint. This is just a little bit of leftover, but this is DecoArt Metallics. DecoArt Berry. B-E-R-R-Y. This is a really pretty shade, guys. This right here is my golden fluids, and that's my iridescent silver. This right here, one of my all-time favorite paints, DecoArt Metallics, and that is the Pewter. You see that okay, guys? This is also one of my new favorite paints, and I'm not much of a pink girl, but this rosy color is just so pretty. That's Treasure Gold, and that is the Purple Topaz. This right here is, in my opinion, one of the prettiest shades of blue gray that there is. That is Paynes Gray. This right here is our Amsterdam and Expert series, and this is the Titanium White. Now I mix this and this alone with just Floetrol. 1 part paint, 4 parts Floetrol, just a smidgen of water because I wanted it to be the same consistency as these other paints. This right here, you can't see it, but this is a lovely little color. This is Art Alchemy. This is from their Sparkles line, and this is something. This writing is so small, guys. Iris Potion. There you go. Can you see that? Because I certainly can't see that. Art Alchemy. Really pretty paints, just too darn little. But you've heard me moan and groan about that before. I'm going to put some tunes on because I want to get into the zone, do a little dancing around. I got my Lido dog licking my ankles. Bless his heart. And we're going to get doing some painting, guys. Happy you joined me here.
Wild, wild. I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. All the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night.